Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today in this video I will talk about the latest update in Figma, that is multi-edit. Okay, so we will be editing multiple text. Okay, and then also we will be learning how in different ways we can use this feature. Okay, so first of all I'll show you how you can do bulk text edit. Okay, so for example this is the frame, right? So you see some of the matching layers are there, right? So for example, I want to change this one, okay? So if I manually do it, okay? For example, I want to just add here recent images, for example, okay? Now I want to do this same thing with this frame also. Now I have to manually do this, right? Instead, now with this feature, what we can do is we can just select this text, okay, then click on this option here, select matching layers, okay, and then click on this option, that is the multi-edit text, okay. That's it. Okay, so now whatever changes you are going to make here, that will be applied to all the frames here, okay, all the matching layers here. Okay, so for example, can you see how instantly, you change these text altogether? You don't have to manually go. I'll show you. Here also it changed. Can you see that? So that is how, you can use this feature. Okay, so in order to edit your text. So next, I'll show you how you can, edit across auto layout frames also, okay, using this feature. So for example, I'm going to click on this. For example, I want to change the position of this image here, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this option here, okay. You see that in every screen, this matching layer, this matching image got selected here, okay. Now I can edit it. It's changing, right? Right? So like this, you can do it and save your time. Okay. Now I will show how you can edit multiple variants. So for example, you have a component here. Okay. So what will happen is, for example, you want to uh, change the color of this button. Okay. So I'll show you. Can you see this icon here, multi-edit variants? So you are going to click on this one, okay? You see all the same buttons, okay? The same buttons got selected here, okay? In all the variants. Now I want to change the color of this one, okay? So for example, I want it to be white. And also the text should be black, okay? So that is how instantly you can make changes over different variants also using this feature. Now, I'll show you one interesting thing. Like if you come to this section here, you will see nothing changed, right? So like this, you can, divide things into sections if you want that these changes should not be applied to this. Now, if I click on this one, okay, and then I click on the select matching layers. Only the text in these three frames got selected, not all of them. You see, not all of these are selected. So, the frames in this sections are taken separately in the file. Okay. So now you can make changes here. Okay. For example, just images. You see? So this is how, if you have your frames inside a section, this is how, it will be behaving. Okay, so these are taken in a separate way. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you got the concept. Okay, let me know if you have got any doubts related to this option here. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.